Combining dandelion and corn silk tea creates a powerful herbal blend with multiple health benefits, particularly for the urinary system, liver, and overall detoxification. Here's a breakdown of the benefits of this combination. 1. Natural diuretic effect. Both dandelion and corn silk have natural diuretic properties. Together, they support the kidneys in flushing out excess water, helping to reduce bloating, lower blood pressure, and support kidney health. This blend can relieve mild urinary tract discomfort by increasing urine flow, which may help prevent UTIs by reducing bacteria in the urinary tract. 2. Liver support and detoxification. Dandelion is known for its liver detoxifying properties, promoting bile production and aiding in the liver's natural detox processes. Corn silk complements this by helping to regulate blood sugar, which indirectly benefits liver health. The combination can also help the liver metabolize toxins and support general digestive function. 3. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Dandelion and corn silk both contain antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the body. This can be beneficial for conditions like arthritis, general joint pain, and other inflammatory conditions. Regular consumption may reduce symptoms of chronic inflammation, especially in the urinary and digestive systems. 4. Blood sugar regulation. Corn silk is known to help regulate blood glucose levels, which can be particularly helpful for people with insulin sensitivity issues. Together, these herbs may support blood sugar stability. Dandelion's prebiotic fiber, inulin, further supports balanced blood sugar levels. 5. Digestive health. The bile-stimulating properties of dandelion combined with the digestive support from corn silk help improve digestion, reduce bloating, and enhance nutrient absorption. Dandelion root is particularly beneficial for stimulating appetite and supporting healthy gut bacteria. Hazard 6. Bladder and urinary tract health. Corn silk helps soothe the bladder lining, making it useful for reducing bladder irritation. Combined with dandelion's diuretic action, the blend can help flush out toxins from the bladder and prevent urinary discomfort. Usage tips. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of this tea blend daily is generally considered safe for most people. However, if you have kidney issues, gallbladder issues, or are on medications for blood pressure or diabetes, consult with a healthcare provider before using this blend, as it can interact with certain medications. This combination makes an excellent choice for overall detoxification, digestive support, and healthy kidney and urinary tract maintenance.